Hello students, so let us see how to write electronic configuration of elements in an easy manner. This thing you all have done in your book, the sequence of filling the atomic orbitals. Just by knowing the lines, you can fill out the orbitals. But it becomes difficult to draw this table when you have to go for higher elements, the elements of higher atomic number. So let us see one more method by which you can easily fill out the electronic configuration for higher elements. Let us start with writing S, P, D, F. S, P, D and F blocks. Now let us give them numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. And let us write the maximum number of electrons that should be present in these orbitals. S will have maximum capacity of 2 electrons. P will have maximum capacity of 6 electrons. D will have maximum capacity of 10 electrons and F will have the maximum capacity of 14 electrons. So this is how we have to mention it. Now in the next step, we have to move further with writing out these all shells. Okay, so let us start. First of all, S, just remember you have to write them two times. S, then PS, like that you have to move. In the backward manner, you have to move. Now we will be writing PS. Don't forget to write 2 times. PS, PS. Now next, let us include D also and write it 2 times. D, P, S, D, P, S. Now the last that is left, that is the F. So let us include F also. F, D, P, S, F, D, P and S. Now let us give them the numbers, that is the orbital number. So orbital number will be given according to these numbers, the numbers that we have given at the base. So let us start the counting of the orbital number with 1. So S will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let us start 2, but 2 will begin with the second orbital. P will begin with the second orbital. So here 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p and 7p. Now D, let us start D orbital with the third one. So 3d, 4d, 5d and 6d. And the last is the F. So let us begin with 4F, 4F, 5F. So this is how we have to fill. Now let us fill out the maximum number of electrons that can come. So in S orbital, 2 is the maximum. So I am writing here 2 wherever S is present. P will have a maximum of 6. So I am writing 6 wherever P is present. And D will have a maximum of 10. So let us write 10 wherever D orbital is there. And F will have a maximum of 14. So this is how you have to write the sequence of the electronic configuration. Let us take an example to make our work much more easier. So let us start with a smaller example. I am taking here atomic number 12. Atomic number is 12. So the electronic configuration of this atomic number will be let us firstly write them. So here from the beginning I am going to write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So is it complete now? 10 and 2 12. Yes, it's complete. So students, this is how you have to do this kind of electronic configuration.